Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in what you want: exact striker SRT trim and year, and a clear cash or financing limit. Once done, contact 3 nearby authorized dealers to verify availability and incentives. This saves time and gives leverage. Make sure to get VINs, MSRP, and any dealer fees in writing. You'll also prepare trade-in details and credit info so you can move immediately to the next phase without delays. You test drive the Striker SRT to confirm handling and features, then inspect the VIN, options list, and build sheet. Don't skip that. Once done, compare written offers from dealers including price, warranty length, and add-ons. Negotiate toward the lowest out-the-door figure. If you've got pre-approval, use it to push for better dealer financing. If not, get multiple dealer quotes and read the contract terms carefully before signing. You finalize by signing the title, registration, warranty, and proof of insurance. Make sure fees match the negotiated total. Before taking delivery, walk the vehicle with the dealer using a checklist: fluids, tire pressure, software updates, and factory accessories. Once done, get digital copies of all documents. If you encounter major discrepancies, wrong VIN, missing options, or unexpected fees, stop the transaction immediately and escalate to dealer management or your financing provider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.